Nobody knows about it. They know about it. They don't make it. He's got like
Oh, they got a lot of pairs too. Yeah. How you guys doing? It's your boy Ant on the go-go. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. I hope everyone is great. Brand new day, brand new day. It's New York City. Really cold. But I have a brand new sneakers that I've been supposed to get to you guys. But I have them right here. These are brand new, right? So these are the ones I caught now. These are Kobe's, right? Now, Kobe been going crazy this year. Crazy, crazy. So many different silhouettes. Nike just been pumping them like crazy. So many Kobe's. And these are one of them. These are pretty limited. You know what I'm saying? It was pretty, you know, I got a couple pairs. I'm going to show you that, you know, I'm going to show you that soon. But these were pretty crazy. Everybody was, you know, basically going wild for these Kobe's. And these are... And shout out to anybody that always been watching my videos. Thank you so much. You know, I'm an entrepreneur. I do this every day. Check my videos out. I do many different things if you're new to the channel. And thank you to everybody that always been here with me. Thank you so much. It's lit. Lit, lit, lit. Thank you so much. But yeah, let's get into this. I'm just happy. Bow! Ooh! Yeah! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Kobe, 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 Kobe. Kobe, 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 Kobe. I love my Kobe. Oh, love my Kobe's. I love my Kobe. Oh yeah, these are fire, guys. Let me know what you think. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, 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 hey. It's crazy because these Kobe's are really amazing, honestly. Like, and these are my last pairs, guys. This is my last Kobe, you know? So, pretty amazing sneaker. You look at the details. The details are so amazing. I'm like, yo, with the leather, it got the leather. Oh, man. I think these are like, oh, man, amazing. I just don't know what to say. These are all white sneaker. You can match anything with it. Amazing details. It got the star right here. It got the crocodile, you know, skin on it. It got the crocodile skin. Oh man, it feels so good. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, these are amazing. I love these. These are one of my favorites. One of my favorite Kobe to come out because the detail is so crazy. And then look at the bottom. The bottom part look cool too, you know. These are nice basketball sneakers, sports sneakers, even for style, you know? And these came out, last week? And today's the 20th. You know, came out last week. Really amazing, you know? Make sure you get your pair. I sold a lot of these, guys. These are my last ones. These are my last Kobe's. White, you know what I'm saying? And this white pair is amazing. You got the nice white. You got the nice white on it with the Nike black check. Oh my God. Then with the stars. I love the way how they did the stars right here on the side. And then they make it nice and plain with the, you know, with the reptile, with the patterns right here. I love that. I just love that, you know. It's a nice feeling to it. And the back part is like a suede-ish. It's like a suede-ish in the back. Which is pretty cool, you know. And yo, it got the Nike, it got the, you know, the Kobe emblem right in the front of the toe. Look at the tag right here. You know, the Kobe. Then it got the initials in the back. Hold on. These are amazing. So many details on these. You got the Kobe print right here. The initials right here. And then you got an extra 2 shoelace to go with it. So you got a white and you got a black shoelace. What can you know, oh, I dropped my sneakers. What can you say, guys? What can you say? It's amazing. You can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Let me know your thoughts on these. Did you cop, drop? Me, honestly, woo! I'm going to hold one pair in the stash. I'm going to hold it. Because these are nice Kobe's, you know. These, everybody going to love these. You know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with these Kobe's. I got a Many different sizes. Many different sizes. Ooh. Damn. Whoa. Boom. Boom. The details is amazing. Shit, so what you thinking tomorrow? Another Kobe right here. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys. And make sure you watch the video that I'm gonna put out the next one. But make sure you stay tuned because I got these Kobe's. Ooh, these was China exclusive, but in New York City, they had it in one store, but it was a raffle, and I hit the raffle. So basically, I got lucky. But if you live in anywhere else, I'm assuming it would be easier to get. But these are super limited. It was China exclusive. Stay tuned for these. I'm gonna review about these. Just make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna put the video of this video. I'm gonna put it in the description so you check this video out. This gonna be wild. Like this, oh man, the details of these Kobe's are amazing. So definitely, it's the year of the Mamba. It's the year of the Mamba. Kobe going crazy. R.I.P. To Kobe. It's a tragic. And it's really sad, but Nike, giving us these nice silhouette sneakers, and yeah, to remember Kobe and what he did for Nike, and the basketball industry, so it's amazing. These Kobe's are amazing. Wow. Truly amazing. Truly, look at the detail. Oh my God. Smells so amazing. Let me know out of 1 to 10, what would you rate these, guys? What would you rate these? Yeah, guys. Make sure you cop a pair, okay? See you later. Thanks for always. I'm going to show you an up-close video of these. But thank you for always watching and staying tuned, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you love videos like this. And these is pretty limited. It was Foot Locker, or Nike. Either or the sneakers app, that's how you was able to get these. Pretty limited, but hey. But the red one was extremely limited. You know what I'm saying? The red one is... I'm going to talk about that in the next video. But see you guys later.